Prabhas is making multiple movies at same time and that too in different languages, and these movies are considerably very big in budget too. If you look up to his new lineup, you will only see big budget pan-India movies in it. And in this video we are going to cover all his upcoming movies which are announced till now. I've already made a video on upcoming movies of Prabhas, but this is going to be the updated version of it. So hey everyone, my opinion here, let's begin with the video. Prabhas have 7 movies lined up ahead of him, but till now we have not got to watch the trailer of Radheshyam. Radheshyam is in making since 2 years now and the makers are still not in mood to make any announcement about the movie. Till now we have only got to see the little glimpse of the movie and it was spectacular. The movie looks grand in scale and very beautiful too. Number 2 on the list is Salar. Salar is going to be the biggest project for Prashant Neel after KGF. We are still waiting for the KGF Chapter 2, and on the other hand, Prashant Neel has started working on Salar. This movie is going to be the Prashant Neel type action entertainer movie because he loves to create his own world and characters. We are going to see Prabhas in never before seen Avatar, and I think this duo is going to set screens on fire, as Prabhas is the perfect cutout for the mass elevating scenes of Prashant Neel. Expectations from this movie is sky high, as this time it is Prabhas and Prashant Neel. Number 3 on the list is Adipurush. Well, I personally think that this is the only movie that I think can beat the records of Bahubali, and why? Let me tell you. First of all, the movie is based on the epic Ramayana, which is very well known in every household of India. The reach of the movie will be beyond languages, as Ramayana is very big part of culture of India and people will love to watch a movie on it. Recently, it was said that the movie is going to have 8,000 VFX shots, which is way more than any other Indian movie till now, and it is justifiable because the story and characters demand it. Prabhas is going to play the role of Lord Ram in the movie, and personally, I think he is a well suit for this character. And I am really excited to see how the movie is going to show the other epic characters of Ramayana like Lord Hanuman. It will be exciting to watch it. It will be a difficult task for the makers because it is a huge responsibility to make a movie on Ramayana, and if by any chance makers will not be able to make it as people want, then there will be a huge backlash because it is a very sensitive topic for us Indians. Number 4 on the list is a movie with Nag Ashwin, which is going to be a sci-fi movie. So the pan-world movie from India is here. Nagi has said in multiple interviews that this movie is going to a never before seen experience for the audience, and a huge budget of 500 crores is being considered for the movie. And whatever we have heard about the movie, it says that the storyline of the movie will revolve around the prevention of Third World War. Number 5 on the list is movie with SS Rajamouli. This project is not being announced yet, but if we consider buzz, then we can see the combo of Prabhas and SS Rajamouli again. With 3 blockbuster movies in pocket, SS Rajamouli and Prabhas makes a good combo to look out for. The movie is said to be a periodic drama, which again SS Rajamouli is master of. We can get to see a larger than life movie through this combination again. And whole India knows the impact which was created by Bahubali. So the expectation from this combo is going to be huge, and audience will expect more than Bahubali. Number 5 on the list is movie with Siddharth Anand. This project is almost confirmed, and it is being said that Bollywood director Siddharth Anand is keen to cast Prabhas for a pan-India movie. Siddharth Anand, who had recently delivered the blockbuster movie War, and now he is ready to make his big movie with Prabhas. Number 6 on the list is movie under Maitri Movie Makers. It is surprising to see that the production house is ready to invest 500 crores even though the director and the story of the movie has not been decided yet. This shows that the people are ready to make huge investments on Prabhas for his pan-India stardom. If we talk about the budgets of the movie, then I think each movie of Prabhas after Bahubali have more than 300 crores of budget. Some of his upcoming movies are having budget of 500 to 600 crores. And if we take the total budget of his upcoming movies, then combinedly it is going to be more than 1500 crores, which is huge in itself. So the pan-India stardom is on full swing. So that was the video guys. Do tell me in the comment section for which movie you are waiting for, and please like and subscribe the channel. Yours truly, my opinion.